Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After installing the Anaconda, we have to run the Anaconda. How we can run the Anaconda? I will do it practical, but first I will do a little bit explanation about this. This is Anaconda. We have installed it from the anaconda.com. After installing Anaconda, we have to open Jupyter Notebook. Then we have to go to new and Python, then rename it, and then hello world and Jupyter Notebook. So coming to the practicals, first we have to come here and type search bar Anaconda, Anaconda. After clicking on Anaconda navigator, we will land on this page, and it consists of many things which is necessary for which are some of them are code editor like Jupyter Notebook and VS Code and many more. So here I will launch the Jupyter Notebook. After launching the Jupyter Notebook is run here. When we run the Jupyter Notebook, this page will be open in front of you. First we have to come here, new and new Python 3. After clicking Python 3, we have to rename our Jupyter Notebook by clicking Untitled and give it the name, like for example I am going to hello world, hello, and rename it by giving it any name. This is, we call it cell. You can create many cells and above or below. For example, I'm going to create cells by pressing A. When we click outside of the cell, inside, not inside, outside of the cell. After that, when I'm pressing just A, it's creating cells. But when I need to delete these cells, for deleting we have to click outside of our cell and the Jupyter Notebook and double press the D for doll, it's D. So pressing DD, and you can see here that they are going, the cells are going to be deleted. Press delete 2 times, press D 2 times, DD, and it will delete. The first word we wanted to write hello world. For this we have to write bracket inverted commas open and close by clicking the shift and inverted commas and hello world, and I'm going to apply this command to run this command. For that I will click here on run. From keyboard you can run this by pressing shift and enter. By pressing shift and enter you can see this hello world. Now coming forward to our next topic, that is about hello world. In Jupyter Notebook, hello world, I wrote here inverted commas and hello world, yeah, anything which you want to be print. The next topic is comment in Python. We use the comment in Python. Comment in Python are used to explain the Python code. It is used to explain the Python code, used to make the code more readable. Symbol used for comment is hash. There's a hashtag is we use this. For example, I'm going to print I have wrote here print hello world and print Khan. It will print Khan, but it will not print hello world because it has been marked as a comment. So going to be practical, first I'm going here to copy this and Control C, I copy and then come to the Jupyter Notebook, I Control V, I paste here, then click here pressing enter. So this is wrong, so I will put it in the inverted commas. For example, if I'm going to run it, shift enter, it will show me the error, input error, that it show or identify me that it's wrong. Why? Because it's wrong, it's inverted commas, invalid character. So I will put here the inverted commas, open and close as I previously told. So this is the inverted commas. So here I have two here I have two lines of code. The first one is hello world, the second one is print Khan. But when I am going to run shift enter, it's only print Khan and not print hello world. Why? Because it is has been marked as a comment. I am going to remove this, and now again control shift, now you can see that the comment is being removed and hello world is appear. So the hashtag we use it for comment, that I am going to write some description about the code. For that purpose I use that hello world and so many like as a